Oh boy, he's got him right there on the bank. He was sitting right in the middle of the draw. I didn't see him. Get him, Trump. Come on, boy. Here. Here. Come on, Trump. Come on, Trump. I switched over, shot him with that modified. Come on, Trump. Come on, Trump. Hip, 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 hip. Here. Come on, boy. Here, here. Come on, boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, sir. Come on. Come on. How come you're burying birds? How come you're burying birds? Eh? How come you're burying birds? Why are you doing that, buddy? Oh, you shouldn't be burying the birds. Okay, give it to me. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, yes, big boy. Well, you gave that one to me. You gave that one to me. I told you to come up here and we'll trade places and I'll put the bird up. No, no, no. I knew the bird was in the draw. I wanted you to come up here and I was going to go back over there where you were and go down this. He was right in the middle of that draw. I just didn't see him on the ground. He was sitting right there in that snow. I don't know why we didn't see him. Man, that dog's starting to show off a little bit. I think that's another female.